Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to go through the assembly instructions for the Double Trolley Doll Carrier with sleeping bags and pillows. Before we get started, make sure you look at everything. If you're missing any pieces or have any damaged parts, please contact Badger Basket as shown in the end of the instructional video. So let's get started. For step 1, you will need part A, the trolley case. You will need 2 of part B, which are the trolley feet. You will need 2 of part C, which are the screws, and part F, the trolley frame. So first what we're going to be doing is putting the trolley feet onto the trolley case here. This is what's going to allow that suitcase to kind of sit on the bottom of the trolley. So what you're going to do is take these trolley feet. You're going to see a side that has kind of a half moon circle and then a flat area. That's going to go into this spot right here, down by the wheels, facing forward to the front of the case. So I'm going to slide this one down, and it should just fit in there so. Just like that. So when it stands up, it has these feet kind of facing downward, and then this platform for where the case is going to sit onto. Now in order to make these feet stay into place, when you tip it back up, you're going to see these small little holes here on both sides. That is where we're going to put a screw in to hold those feet into place. So I'm just going to take this screw here and screw this in. After you have the trolley feet screwed into place, we're going to flip this over to the other side. On the other side, you're going to see that it's already Velcroed here at the top onto that trolley. But what we need to do is do that at the bottom. So we're going to unattach it here, go around these bars here, and stick that back into place. That way, the bag is secure to that trolley. So the last thing we get to do is we get to put our sleeping bags and pillows into the trolley case, just to show you kind of where they go. So there's 2 zippers, one for the front, and there's a second zipper that goes to the back. The best place to put them is in that second zipper, more towards the trolley. If you take the pillow and the sleeping bag, you can put both into each of these white little net holdings. So we'll fold both of these sleeping bags up with their pillows and place them right here. And we have a bunch of pockets here for all the doll accessories to go into as well. Then you have your sleeping bag and pillows. You can zip that back up. You have more nettings here in the front for more doll accessories. And then this spot is where your dolls can go. Your dolls can actually tuck right into this pocket, and then these straps can hold your doll into place, and it can hold 2 dolls here. Then when you zip it back up into place, you'll see your dolls in the window. And that's it. You're all set to go. And that concludes the assembly for the Double Trolley Doll Carrier with sleeping bags and pillows. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact Badger Basket as shown in the next clip. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.